Hello everybody, live from the attic here. Just wanted to make a quick video, quick unboxing of an old package that I have. Let me, go ahead and start opening it up. I'm gonna check it out. Oh, cool. It's a Nike box with a sticker. I know the package is from, Unheard Of brand, the store down there in Ohio. Yeah, really dope shop. And let me go ahead and take the shoe out of the box and we'll check it out in hand. Okay, so it's got the tag on there with the price and got the UPC, and it is the Nike Dunk High Retro White University Red. Yeah, your classic university color. Yep, and there it is. It is the Jordan High, not Jordan High, my bad. The Dunk High, Nike Dunk High. The St. John College colors. Back in the day, I remember these were like a quick strike that had come out. This one is just your regular typical Nike Dunk High. Let me get the other pair out and just quickly check it out, how these are in hand and how they feel. I mean, from what I see and feel right now, it's just your basic regular quality of Dunk that has been coming out in the past year, 2 years. You got your Dunk Dunk bottom, with the midsole, like two-tone, red and university red and white. And can't really say too much. We have the the tongue, just the same tongue that has been coming out in the past. Pretty stiff leather. I would not say this is like anything premium. It's just the regular basic quality that has been coming out. Same thing with the cushioning around for the ankle, and you got your back tabs, and pretty much it. This is how it's looking. Really got nothing else to say compared to other past Dunks that have been coming out. So just wanted to make a quick unboxing, showing you guys how these look in hand, and can't really complain too much. Got these for retail, and that's about it. A little bit of a scuff right here, but other than that, it's a great looking shoe. I cannot complain. These are going to look really clean on feet with some sweats or shorts. That's about it for this video. I think I'm gonna end it right here. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and definitely like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.